viewers, welcome to Crafty Noons. Hope you all are doing good. After Diwali, we have lot of stuff lying here and there. In previous videos, I shared the ideas of reusing sweet and chocolate boxes. In this video also, I am going to share the ideas of reusing tins of sweet and will tell you how can we use them as craft, stationery or cutlery holders. So without any further ado, move to our first DIY, for which I am using thick white thread, jute rope and wrapped it around the tin box. We need to stick them at the starting point and at the end points only. After covering it, I took a piece of leftover lace and sticked it with the help of glue gun. Now to make the jute rope flowers, I made 2-3 rounds of jute rope and sticked with glue. As you can see on the screen, I made 5 like this and pasted on the lace. In the middle, I pasted a button. Now make the braid of jute rope. Paste it on the lower part of tin. If you want, you can paste on the rim as well. This will add grace to the holder. Our cute holder is ready. You can use it as a cutlery holder, craft holder, or you can put your sewing essentials into it. Now move to our next DIY. We will cover the tin in the same way as we have done in the previous one. Now I am using popsicles to decorate it. I am using yellow color popsicles as well as plain one. If you don't have colored sticks, you can use the plain or you can paint them. I am pasting them in random sizes at the bottom part. Now take leftover glitter sheet pieces and cut the shape of flowers and leaves. Paste them on the popsicles. I am using shirt buttons at the center of the flowers. You can see how I am pasting the leaves. Prepare the jute braid and paste it on the bottom edge. It is looking so beautiful. Our beautiful tin holder is ready. We can use it as cutlery holder in kitchen, or we can keep craft or sewing essentials into it. Our next 2 holders are made with leftover pieces of fabric and net. I folded the fabric and pasted it on the rim first. I made several cuts onto the lower part so that it can be pasted properly at the bottom. I cut the heart shape out of a net fabric and pasted on tin. Make a bow of satin ribbon. Take a net fabric, sew it from mid and pull the thread in order to make a bow or a flower. Place the net bow onto heart and then ribbon bow. Here I am using rhinestone from Old Rakhi. Paste the same color paper onto the bottom to give it the finishing. Our beautiful ethnic holder is ready. For another holder, I am going to wrap the tin with white thread. If you want, you can cover it with off-white silk fabric. Place the ribbon at the rim. I am using the same fabric which I used for previous holder in order to make them thematic. Cut the heart shape out of the same fabric and net as well and paste onto the tin. Now paste the same net bow. Paste the rhinestone. Our beautiful set of holders is ready. These will really add on the charm to our kitchen and craft area. At the same time, help you in being organized. And the best part is that we need not to spend money in making. Hope you liked all the DIY holders. Please let me know in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications. We'll soon upload new videos. Take care. Bye bye.